Alright, it's 2:30 a.m. End of day 7, I think, late. It's a week late now. I gotta be there in another week. The landlord's coming out with a big dumpster to start working on the property here. He's gonna cut all the floors out of here, and if my stuff's in the way, he'll get 2 dumpsters. So I'm running out of time. So if you got any time to help, I need it next week for sure. If not, whenever, tomorrow. So anyway, it's shit's hitting the fan. So that's where we're at. Right now it's what is it, Sunday morning, I guess now? Saturday for me, but we have until the 15th, I think is what the deadline was. So we are right here on the 8th, it says today. It's the 8th? Jeez. So it's 8 days late now today, because I'm a day late. So 16th the dumpsters are coming, 14th, the 15th he wants me out of here for sure. So anyway, so if anybody's gonna come help, it's getting to be that time. We're running out of time. Yesterday I had a few people helped, came by, got a lot done. Had 5 guys in there boxing stuff up, loading stuff, moving stuff. We did pretty good. We got that milling machine out of here. That was a pain in the ass. Got a lot of it done. So the machine up area is now void of big machinery over there. We still have big machinery over here to move yet. So it's not like we're out of here just yet. And obviously the work area is still a mess. Haven't touched it yet. And all these shelves over here are still full and working on it. So I spent all day today. Fred came by and helped me for a few hours. He's way out of whack in his schedule. He's out of here by 9 o'clock. It's 2:30 now. So we got this big shelf unit on the trailer in one piece. Did not think we'd be able to do that. So that's one big shelf. Fully loaded. So there you go. That's a big boy shelf unit. Truck's got a big load going home. Trailer's going to the mountains. Storage. So I got that all strapped on. So that left a big hole over here in the office area. You can actually see my desk. Had to move all this stuff back, so I cleared that out on the bottom a little bit. Looks like a tornado went through here a lot of places already. So all the stuff that was on this shelf unit, some of it got put in a trailer in the back over here. And the rest of it got put over here on the shelves that I emptied out. So these are all the cases that were on that shelf unit and cranks. So I don't know how many cases is that? I don't know. There's a lot of them. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves full of cases and another shelf full of cranks. Yeah, that's a couple sets of cases. There's everything in there from 37 UL stuff up to later model Sportster junk. Later model being like 4-speed. Evo. Not too much of that. It's all ironhead stuff. Anyway, all this stuff still got to be gone through. This shelf unit's got to be cleared out. Another desk. Haven't even got to my racing stuff yet. That's a whole day by itself. So, uncovered that. Don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I uncovered it. Anybody need workbenches in the local area? I got a few. Might have some extras. Haven't moved my toolboxes yet. The one on the right we're giving away. That one could be my extra one. So, the big drill press got to go to the mountains, but not sure how I'm going to carry that yet. Maybe I'll put that on the back of the trailer. So this trailer here is getting excuse me, pretty loaded up. So it's just about full. Spent half the day loading it here in the back half. We went from here backwards today. And the SUV is getting loaded up too today. So get a little weight going on this thing. So about half full there. We still got all these shelves over here to clear out yet. There. Yeah, it looks better. You can see better. See. So all those have to be cleared out and knocked down yet. hauled out of here is it's a full load of just shelving. So you start counting up the days, and we're short. Unless I get a lot of help here pretty soon, it'll be trouble. So I got my air compressor. I still gotta get moved out. Obviously more benches and crap. So, oh well. Made a massive dent, but we still got a lot of stuff to move yet. So anyway, that's where we're at. So like I said, we're getting there. I got my press. Gotta go home too. Don't forget my press. And our machine row is gone. Look at that. Looks naked over there. So anyway, still got all this other junk to lift tomorrow. We'll see. So it's 3 a.m. right now. I gotta go home shop and unload my truck. It'll take a couple hours to unload that thing. So my day still goes to sun up every day. So it's sun up in the morning when I go to bed, and then I wake up and come back here and work. So pretty much how it works around here. So like I said, if you get in the area, feel free to come by and help. I definitely need it. So there you go. That's all we're gonna get. So that's it for tonight on the video. We're gonna go unload a truck.